Do you have a lemon tree at home, but it produces very few flowers, or the flowers drop before they ever turn into fruit? Many people think that lemon trees grow and produce on their own without much care, but the truth is, lemons are sensitive citrus plants, and even small mistakes in watering, sunlight, soil, or fertilizer can seriously affect their growth and fruit production. That's why in today's video, we're going to talk about a research-based, horticulture-approved guide to taking care of your lemon tree the right way, including the ideal climate, temperature, and amount of sunlight lemons actually need, what type of soil works best, and why overwatering can damage the roots, when and how often you should fertilize, plus the most common mistakes people make, the ones that cause healthy-looking trees to grow leaves but produce little or no fruit. In this video, we're not sharing magic tricks or unrealistic claims. Everything you'll hear is based on agricultural research, university extension guidance, and real-world growing experience, so you can keep your lemon tree healthy and improve fruit production the right way. Tip 1. Give your lemon tree the right sunlight and temperature. One of the most important factors that determines whether a lemon tree produces flowers and fruit is sunlight. Lemon trees are true warm-weather citrus plants, and they need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. Trees kept in shade, indoors near weak light, or placed where sunlight is blocked by walls or other plants often grow leaves but produce very few blossoms. Outdoors, the best location is a bright, open area with full sun exposure. Temperature also plays a major role. Lemons grow best between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 95 degrees Fahrenheit, or 18 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. They do not tolerate frost well, and cold stress can damage flowers, young fruit, and leaves. If you live in a colder region, growing lemons in a large container is a good option because you can move the plant indoors or into a protected area during winter. When bringing container plants indoors, place them near the brightest south-facing window or use supplemental grow lights if needed. Good light encourages strong growth, better flowering, and healthier fruit development. Simply put, if your lemon tree is not getting enough sunlight, it will struggle to bloom and produce fruit, no matter how well you water or fertilize it. Tip 2. Use well-draining soil and water the right way. Lemon trees love moisture, but they do not like sitting in wet, waterlogged soil. Poor drainage is one of the most common reasons for yellowing leaves, weak growth, and root problems. The best soil for lemons is light, airy, and well-draining, such as a sandy loam or a high-quality citrus or potting mix. Heavy clay soil should be improved with compost and organic matter to increase drainage. When watering, the key idea is water deeply but not frequently. Allow the top layer of soil to dry slightly before watering again. In warm months, trees usually need more frequent watering, while in cooler weather, the watering interval should be reduced. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering can cause flowers and young fruit to drop. For container plants, always make sure the pot has drainage holes so excess water can escape. Avoid leaving water in trays under the pot. Mulching the soil surface with organic material can help retain moisture while still allowing airflow. Proper watering supports strong roots, balanced growth, and stable fruit development. Once you maintain good drainage and consistent moisture, not too wet, not too dry, your lemon tree becomes far healthier and more productive over time. Tip 3. Feed your lemon tree with the right nutrients. Lemon trees are heavy feeders, which means they need a steady supply of nutrients to grow, flower, and produce fruit. The most important nutrient for lemons is nitrogen because it supports leaf and branch growth. However, lemons also need iron, zinc, and magnesium to keep leaves green and healthy. A balanced citrus fertilizer applied according to label instructions is usually the best option. Instead of giving a large dose at once, it's better to feed smaller amounts several times throughout the growing season. Over-fertilizing can encourage fast leafy growth with fewer flowers, while under-fertilizing can lead to pale leaves and weak fruiting. Organic options such as compost or well-decomposed manure can improve soil structure, but they should still be used in moderation. Fertilizer should never be applied to dry soil. Lightly water first, then feed the plant. If leaves turn yellow while the veins stay green, this may indicate iron deficiency, especially in poor or alkaline soil. In such cases, an iron supplement or chelated iron product may help, but always follow expert or extension-based guidance. By maintaining a balanced and consistent feeding routine, your lemon tree receives the nutrients it needs to support healthy flowering and dependable fruit production. Tip 4. Avoid common mistakes that stop flowering and fruit. Many lemon trees fail to produce well not because the plant is weak, but because of a few common care mistakes. One frequent problem is excessive pruning. Heavy cutting removes young branches where future flowers would form. Light, selective pruning is fine, but avoid aggressive trimming, especially during active growth periods. Another issue is keeping the plant in low light with too much nitrogen fertilizer. This combination encourages leafy green growth but prevents flower development. Always prioritize sunlight first before increasing fertilizer. Stress can also cause flower and fruit drop. This includes sudden temperature changes, irregular watering, or moving a container plant too often. Lemon trees need stable conditions to hold blossoms and develop fruit properly. Nutrient deficiency, especially zinc, magnesium, or iron, may cause pale leaves and weak growth. Instead of guessing, it's better to adjust nutrients gradually and observe the plant's response. Finally, give the tree time and patience. Young lemon trees may take 2 to 3 years before producing regularly, even under ideal care. With proper light, drainage, balanced watering, and nutrition, the plant will naturally adapt and increase fruit production over time, without shortcuts or unrealistic expectations. And that's how you take care of a lemon tree the right way, with proper sunlight, well-draining soil, balanced watering, and the right nutrients, instead of guesswork or shortcuts. When you follow these research-based steps, your tree becomes healthier, stronger, and far more capable of producing consistent flowers and fruit over time. Remember, lemon trees don't respond overnight. They respond to good habits and stable care. Focus on sunlight first, avoid overwatering, feed the plant carefully, and give it patience. Small improvements in care can make a big difference in the long run. If you found this guide helpful, let me know in the comments. What problem are you facing with your lemon tree? Yellow leaves, fruit drop, or slow growth? I'll create a dedicated video to help with those specific issues. Also, if you want more authentic, science-based gardening guides, especially for fruit and vegetable plants, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episode. Thanks for watching, and I hope your lemon tree grows healthier and more productive with every season.